Sydney is a senior journalism major here to tell us all about learning beyond the classroom. UH brings real-world experience to students and is ranked as the #5 university in the country for experiential learning. From learning abroad to undergraduate research and ample internships, UH is getting students ready to succeed after graduation. Sydney, the floor is all yours.
Thank you, Alex. Hello, everyone. Ever since I was a child, I always wanted to be in front of a camera. I wasn't exactly sure how I'd do it, but I knew it was my niche. I took a broadcast journalism class in high school and knew that's exactly what I wanted to do. I ultimately chose the University of Houston to reach my dreams. I am beyond thankful for the amount of impactful memories and connections I've made here. These connections have given me a higher chance of success in the journalism industry. During my time as a communications intern for the athletics department, I've gained experience with creating social media content for the University of Houston's basketball, track, and baseball teams. I've learned how to take and edit videos, engage in an audience, and bring awareness to important topics like mental health for student athletes. The cherry on top has been working for the 2024 College Football Playoff National Championship that will have a lasting effect on me. UH students take advantage of resources we have for hands-on experiences through programs such as Learning Abroad, Cougar Initiative to Engage, and undergrad research. These offerings aim to improve the skills students need to succeed in their careers by ensuring students are equipped with the skill set needed in their workforce. Here at the University of Houston, you will get the knowledge and experience in whatever major you're pursuing. Not only have I developed strong communication skills, but I've developed a solid work ethic through my internship. Thank you for listening to my story. Now back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Sydney. Keep it up, and someday soon, you'll be taking my job as a host of the College Tour. Thanks again for sharing your story.